Welcome back to another video. Today we take this STI interior and put it in that bug eye. Stay tuned. First, we're gonna get these gross seats out of here. Front ones are usually easy, never on the back ones. So we'll see how they go. Don't need that. The bottom actually came out like deceptively easy, and now we got more trash and everything. Now this bottom seat giving me a little bit of a run. It looks like it just pops out like the other, but it probably helps if you get all the bolts out. Okay, something's happening. So there's one more bolt holding the center. All right, well, for some reason, there is a metric bolt in a Japanese car. Also, just because it says 8 doesn't mean that's an 8. Again, I'm not a mechanic. But this seat should come out now. No. Don't fight it. All right. Don't need that anymore where we're going. All right, so now we get the seats out, we'll move to the center and then the carpet. So we got the center pulled. One thing, if you don't have it, very cheap and affordable on Amazon. It's like a kit they make for these kind of plastic locking bolts. I don't know the technical name, but this tool right here, clutch, made this less than a 5-minute job, and just a screwdriver. One there, 2 up there, 2 here, and we got our center pulled out. So now we can move on to getting rid of these pop rivets. That's what they're called, pop rivets, and get the carpet pulled out. I've never seen it. This is what a WRX looks like with no interior in it. Like I said, pop rivets came really in clutch. By the way, if you want some change, holler at your boy. But now that we got all of this emptied out, I might hit it with another vacuum, but we're gonna work on getting in that super nice blue STI interior. All right, y'all. Well, we officially got the Hot Boy STI blue carpet down. As you can see, I am losing light really quickly, so I'm gonna put down the camera and keep on trucking along on this. I'll catch you back when I get the seats in, and we'll see if we have enough time and light to do the door panels. Well, as you can see, we've ran out of light. Thankfully, we have this good flashlight here. Center's back in. Carpet's looking blue. Seats are looking blue. All we have to do now is get in the seats, and that's where I'm gonna call it a night. I do have the door skins. Those will go on, but we're gonna have to do that tomorrow. Well, it's back. It's a new day. And man, in the natural light, this just looks so much better. It just really motivates me to get this done. So today, the big thing is we're gonna get this headliner out of the car along with these door skins. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the door skins, and then we'll save the headliner for last. So even with the pop rivet tools, one of my fears with doing this has come true, and that's 20-year-old Japanese plastic. So I'm using the tools, I'm taking my time, but you know, stuff's gonna break. Nothing that I guess super glue or plastic weld can't fix. Definitely wasn't something I wanted to do. The door panel is on. They did, however, have 2 spacers that were like on the ridge of the door. I had to use the rear one, not the front one, to make the panel sit correctly and flush. I don't know if they moved away from that when they got newer, but I'll keep this just in case I ever need it. But yeah, this is definitely not the easiest job, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. So much cleaner this time around. The rear panels definitely go on easier than the rest, the switches, and this time I even made sure not to break this. So I think I got a system going, so I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse so you can see how blue we become. Officially got all the door skins on, carpet, seats are all in, and man, this turned out so good. Even better than I had anticipated. This is very clean, very nice. I'm gonna say very a lot of times, but I can't deny this is pretty slick Rick looking interior. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this headliner out, and that's probably where we're gonna call it a day. I do not have the new headliner here. I'm waiting for it to get shipped. All right, so the headliner came down fairly simple. Just had to unbolt those seat bolt covers and lay the seats back so that way it could fit through the door. But man, I'll tell you what, might need to get these interior pieces re-cleaned again. Some of them are looking pretty nasty, and you can see from the fucking gross smoke stains that definitely needed to be replaced. All right, guys, so the STI swap pretty much complete minus the headliner. So thank you for watching. Tune in next time when we finish up the STI swap, clean up all the old grossness off the panels, and be complete. Catch you then.